A very good morning. I just woke up. We have something amazing planned for this weekend, but that comes later. First, Lisa is going out with Leo today. She wants to improve her self-confidence with Leo a bit more. So I'm gonna walk a bit behind her just to check up on her and see if everything goes right. Yes, good morning. So a bit of the problem is that usually when we walk Leo together, I'm the responsible one. I'm the one that keeps an eye on Leo. I'm the one who calls him back. I'm the one who does everything. But this causes that whenever Lisa is walking Leo, she doesn't feel confident at all and she feels a bit insecure that he will actually come back to her. So today Lisa is walking Leo and I'm just walking behind her. Not really in the picture, not really doing anything, just to grow her confidence with Leo. The morning walk is Leo's absolute favorite because we always make sure that we are at a big grass field so that Leo can run around free. So his Australian Shepherd battery gets drained as early as possible because we have a lot of hours then where he's just a little angel. So this works perfectly for us, but that does happen that whenever we're in a city without an opportunity and a field like this, that he gets a bit annoying, let's put it like that. Most of the time we can find an opportunity like this, so that's amazing.
It went okay. It's still more stressful than when you are just taking the lead. Yeah.
So morning walk done. Breakfast done.
Hello?
Lisa still needs to get her new jeans. She's gonna get that. And then afterwards we get in the car and then leave for our next destination.
Before we visit Estepona, we first need to refill our water and empty our toilet. And then it's still an hour drive to the city. It is referred to us by new friends that we made. Hi Kanta.
So that's the plan for today. I hope we're gonna have a nice spot.
You've got a friend in me. Oh my god.
We just walked in the van to clean out the toilet and there's salt everywhere. And
Oh no!
yeah. Vanlife!
Oh god!
Yes.
Always kept me in the dark.
So we have arrived, Estepona, place to be. It's a super cute, small little town next to Gibraltar, which has a lot of beaches, and we just found a parking spot which is a bit muddy because it has rained the last couple of days. But we'll see. For now it looks really cute.
To get the Christmas vibe going, I have some Christmas decoration with me in the van. Last year I didn't have any decoration. It was very last minute, so like a week before Christmas I tried to get some decoration in French or Spanish supermarkets. So this year I already bought Christmas decoration in the Netherlands in September before we left. And now it's finally time to hang it up.
And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Oh no! Don't eat it! Los! We're on our way. We're gonna walk in one straight line until we are at the old center of Estepona, and then we'll see where we are going inside the city and hopefully see some lights. I definitely feel the Christmas vibe here. There were already 3 different people that asked if I could take a picture of them in front of the lights. They were really nice. We walked a bit with Leo over the boulevard, but there were so many dogs there. So it was a bit too much for Leo, and we decided that it was better if Jeroen and Leo headed back. All the footage that you're gonna see now is gonna be me roaming around the city trying to spot all the idyllic lights. I'm heading back to Jeroen and Leo. I lost track of how many lights I saw. It were a lot. Sit. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Hello.
Sand gets everywhere. But you have an amazing trick to fix this.
Welkom in Ronda. One of the reasons that we moved to Ronda instead of the coastal area is because of sand. It is one of the things that belongs to Vanlife, so we're okay with it occasionally, but now we want to have a clean van again.
Because Estepona was really cute and really beautiful, but having a dog, a 10-month-old Australian Shepherd, in a really touristy place with a lot of people, a lot of sounds, a lot of noises, a lot of things that he's not used to, is not really that perfect. The town was really cute, but then I said to Lisa we might as well go to a village that has exactly the same characteristics of the village, but then a nicer place to be with a nice view and then not a lot of sand. So that's what we did. Welcome to Ronda. So Lisa and I are having a bit of the same situation as yesterday in Estepona. The center is a bit too far for Leo to walk all the way, and probably in the center it's also a bit too busy for Leo. This is why I'm walking alone. And Lisa is gonna stay with Leo. Look at this. So it's pretty unique about this town that like half of the historical town is built on a cliff, which is really cool. I did not know this town was so high when we drove up here. I just looked at the closest semi-big town that was a bit more land inward. And so we ended up here. And we have a beautiful spot with a beautiful view. And from walking distance from the city center, so I couldn't ask for more. Maybe a bit of a higher temperature at night. I saw that it's probably gonna be 4 degrees tonight, so we might need to snuggle up, but we're really good at that. So I'm currently walking over a bridge that connects two cliffs, that also connects two parts of Ronda. That bridge is next to a bit of a dubious thing. It's namely a bullfighting arena. And there aren't many in Spain, but yeah, I don't want to give an opinion about it, but I am a person who appreciates tradition, and I love that whilst the bull is the token of Spain, that they still keep in this tradition even though there's so many opinions about it.
Yeah.
Sometimes these streets in these Spanish cities are just crazy. Look at this. Cars are supposed to fit in here. In the Netherlands this would be non-existent. I think the thing that amazes me the most is that this is such a vibrant city, but it was like an hour drive from the coast. We drove through mountains, we drove through nothingness, and then all of a sudden, behind the mountain, after an hour's drive, there's a huge city. And when you're walking in the city, you have no idea that there's nothing around this. But when you're walking through it, it is bigger than Nijmegen, the city where I come from, and that's like one of the biggest cities. So that's a hugely remarkable thing about Spain. So this morning we got woken up a bit early, and you might see the van shaking a little bit. The wind is so hard this morning, it's unbelievable. It's so bad that we're probably gonna go. You might see the Christmas thingies shaking like crazy. Yes, but we first need to let Leo outside. Oh god.
Goed zo.